By default, when you create a new Google form, Google gives it to you with this purple color, but that might not fit your needs. You can change it by scrolling all the way to the top and clicking the palette icon on the right-hand side. It's going to open up a sidebar. You can choose a new color palette entirely, and you can test them out by clicking on them, and your form will change immediately. Once you change the theme color, you can also choose a different background color to offset the header. You can also click down at the bottom and choose a font style if the default one doesn't work for you. Finally, all the way at the top, you can choose a header image. I'll click Choose Image. There's a lot of different categories that you can choose for your form. There's work and school, party themes, wedding, nights out. You can even choose from some illustrations. You can also upload your own. You can click Photos and choose from something that's already here. I'm going to click this one and choose Insert. But it's important to note, and this is why I'm showing it to you, that you have to crop your image. So this large banner that I've chosen is not ideal unless I resize it. For now, I'll go back to themes. I'm going to choose one in illustrations. I did pick one earlier, though I have to scroll a little ways to find it. Where is it? Here it is. You can't go wrong with cats in party hats. So I'll choose that one. I'll click Insert. And here it is. Something neat is that it changed the theme color based on that illustration. So it's trying to help me out and pick a way to make my form look as nice as it can. Although I can override any of those choices. Something else that you might want to do while you're building your form is see how it looks when it's done. At any time, even if you're not finished building it, you can click the preview icon. It's the eye icon and it's right between the palette and the gear. Previewing it will allow you to see what your form's going to look like. I'll click Next, and here I can see each section. Remember, we created the section so that you can move back and forth between sections by clicking the Back and Next buttons. However, I did make these fields required, so you can't click Next until you fill these out. To quit out of preview mode and get back to working on your form at any time, all you have to do is close out of the new browser tab that opened up. It's going to take you right back to your form. To close out of the Theme Options sidebar, click the X on the top right-hand side.